Got the old wood splitter out today to do some woodworking. If you're interested in seeing a splitting firewood with axe video, check out Pete at Cheap Homesteading. He just posted a great video on that. I think it was last week. Really excellent. Quick, right to the point, tells you everything you need to know. That's Pete at Cheap Homesteading. This is primarily the type of woodworking I do most of the year, from the fall to spring anyways. But if you like woodworking videos, two great sites to check out would be Wrenches and Boards and Hope This Works Homestead. Both of them are, I would say, really talented woodworkers. They certainly have me beat. Wrenches and Boards is in the process of making a workbench. Very enjoyable. And Hope This Works just completed a cutting board, which he gave to his 200th subscriber, which was pretty cool. Both of them kind of had that almost Wrangler star feel while they're doing the woodworking, where they'll kind of speed it up, take you through the steps and narrate it. And that's the power of YouTube. I can sit down and watch woodworking videos all day long, even though it's something I really don't have the time for. And both of them, they had that feel of, Wrangler star when he made his big workbench. I sat there and watched every single episode and just enjoyed it. So I kind of like that format of, showing the work and, at a sped up pace and narrating you through it, and, taking your time and showing the steps that need to be shown in real speed when appropriate. So those are two great sites, Wrenches and Boards and Hope This Works. Yeah, so just because I'm not sure spring's coming or not, I know it is, but it doesn't feel it today. I'm going to keep on this woodworking. Thanks for watching.